Hi viewers, this is Sajidz Hassan and you're watching guys Sajidz Tech again. In this video I'm going to talking with you about how you can make your Google Chrome browser as a dark. That means you can now turn your Google Chrome browser in the dark mode there easily without using any third-party apps or anything there. But it will be in the dark mode there after just using these tricks there. So making any delay, I think I should start this video with you guys. So before that, here request you please subscribe my channel, and if you do so still also start this video with you. If you have already updated this Google Chrome in your mobile phone and you have the latest update version still now, then you needn't to update it. But if you haven't that updated options there in your Google Chrome, but if you haven't any updated option of your Google Chrome, then you need to update your Google Chrome here. And from here you will get an update option is there. Now we go to the back here in the Google Chrome. So first of all, here we need to give our access is there. So for that, here we just search it here like Chrome, CHROME slash, that means the page, that means colon, then give // and then give here FLAGS flags, and now go to in this, and here you will get a lot of options from there. And here you need to search something like that, dark mode, DARKMODE, dark mode. Here result set, result all default, and here you will get those experiments which are here, and here we guess there, and they have these things may be disable or default. Here you need to make it those things enable. So from here go to this disable and click on this enable, and here go to this disable and make it enable. Now you need to relaunch this Google Chrome here. Now click on this relaunch, and here your Google Chrome will be relaunched here properly. And here guys, you say that this Google Chrome is in the black, but everything is not turned in the black. Here you need to make it everything in the black. So I just go to here, refresh my tab from here, and I open my Google Chrome newly. And after that, here you need to click on these three dots from here, and after that you need to click on the settings from here, and here you get a themes option, and from here you need to select on this dark here. And after that, here guys, congratulations, your Google Chrome is now turned in the black mode here, and you can see that whole Google Chrome is now in the black. So here guys, now it's your turn to turn your Google Chrome in the black mode in your Android mobile phone, and you can use it there. So here is guys, that's it from me. Now what's about this video? Is it really helpful for you guys? If it's so, then I request you please give a like this video, and share this video with your friend, and comment below on this video, and the subscribe is the must. So no more today, we will meet in our next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.